Are you planning a trip to Seattle? If so, you're probably thinking about how you're gonna get from the airport to downtown. Well, I'm gonna show you how. Renting a car can be pretty expensive. Between parking fees and gas, it can get pretty costly. Even getting a taxi or an Uber can cost upwards of $50. The easiest and cheapest way to get around the city is going to be by public transit. I recommend downloading the app One Bus Away, as that will show you routes and arrival times around the city. Also, Google Maps will be very helpful as far as figuring out what routes to take. Seattle's light rail is going to be the way to go. It's going to be less than $3 a ride, and it will take you from SeaTac Airport all the way downtown. So today I'm going to show you how to do just that. So finding your way out of the airport can be a little tricky, but let's start at baggage claim, since that's where you're most likely going to go first. Once you are ready to leave the airport, look for signs saying Link Light Rail. This will lead you out towards the parking garage. Once you are outside, utilize the walkway to get from the airport to the light rail, a 3-minute walk. In order to ride the light rail, you're going to need a ticket. You can purchase either a one-way pass or a day pass. Once you have your ticket, take the escalator up to the top level and wait for the next train. Depending on the time of day that you arrive, trains arrive every 6 to 30 minutes. Once your train has arrived, sit back and enjoy the scenery. It will take about 30 minutes to get downtown. While you're there, check out the map that is located above every entrance. This will give you an idea of when to get off the train. Which station you use will depend on where you're going. You want to check with your hotel to see which one is best for you. Pike Place Market, for example, will be utilized through Westlake Station. Once you get off the train, you'll have many options of getting up onto the streets. Look for the signs that correspond with the street that you're going to. Getting back to the airport will be just as easy. Get your ticket at the machine, look for the signs for SeaTac Airport, and allow 30 minutes of travel time from downtown so that you get to your terminal on time. Hope this was helpful, and enjoy your time here in Seattle.